I'm going to show you how to fix Vampire Bloodlines 2 issue. So let's start. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar, select this upside arrow. After that, look for the launcher that you have the game on. For example, the Steam. Right click on it and then select Exit Steam. Now you need to ensure that you don't have the launcher running in the background, so go to the taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now you should just type in the launcher name in the search bar. If you do find it, right click and then select in task. Now for the next step, you should go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You should find this NVIDIA app displaying. If not, make sure to download it from their official website. And if you do have an AMD graphics card, make sure to open the AMD app alternatively. After that, go make an account or log in with yours. Go to the left menu and select the drivers icon. After that, click on install or download. I prefer selecting Express installation for faster downloading, and then click on continue to initiate the updating process. Once done, go to the left and select settings. After that, make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. You're good to go. For the next step, go to the search and type in device manager. It will open like this, so look for display adapters. Open that, and then you need to select your graphics card, not this one, the second, which is NVIDIA or AMD. Right click on it and select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers. Wait for it and click close. Now before you open your launcher, go to the Windows icon and type in settings. From here, you just need to search for the Windows update or just select it from the left menu. After that, you need to just select or click on download and install all if you do have any pending updates. For the next step, you should go open your launcher that you have the game on. You will be redirected to the store, so go to your library and select collections. After that, look for your game. For example, this one, you should see this manage option appearing. You need to select properties. Now from here, in the launch options section, click on this prompt and type in -dx11. After that, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. That way, the corrupted or missing files that are responsible for the issue will be solved without any problem. Just wait for the process to finish. By that, you don't need to install or download the game from the start, as you can see here. Close everything. Now you can just launch or run your game and see if the problem is gone, or you can just go to the Windows icon and restart your computer before doing that. That's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing, and see you on the next one.